Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the program to arrange the numbers in ascending order using C programming language. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the program. Program to arrange the numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means minimum number to maximum number, minimum value to maximum value. Let us consider these 5 numbers 8, 3, 6, 9, 5. These 5 numbers will take as an example. We need to arrange in a order from minimum number to maximum number. So the set of number mean we need to use the array. Array is the set of same type of same data type. So we can use single dimensional array to store these 5 numbers. Then we can arrange the numbers in a order, right? What is the procedure to arrange the numbers? What is the logic in that? Comparison with first number. Let us consider the first number. This first number is compared with the remaining numbers one by one, right? The step 1 is first number is considered. That first number is compared with the second, third, fourth and fifth number. Now we see that first number is compared with the second number. First number is 8, second number is 3. Now second number is lesser. If the second number is lesser, we need to interchange the position. In first position 3 is placed and second position 8 is placed. Number is interchanged. While comparing, the second number is lesser means we can interchange because our aim is to place the lesser number first, right? So if this number is lesser, so the position is interchanged, right? At first position 3 is placed, second position 8 is placed. Now the first number become 3. This 3 is compared with the third number 6, but 6 is greater, no need to exchange. This 3 is compared with the fourth number 9, that also greater, so no need to exchange. This 3 is compared with the fifth number 5, so this is also greater, so no need to exchange, right? Now first number is compared with all other numbers. In this first case it is lesser, then it is exchanged. Now the number is in the order 3, 8, 6, 9, 5. Earlier 8, 3, 6, 9, 5. Now 3 is 8, 6, 9, 5. See, the first number is arranged in the minimum value, right? What is the next step? The second number should be compared with third, fourth and fifth number. First number is already arranged, right? The second number and third number is compared. The 6 is lesser, right? The 8 is greater and 6 is lesser. Third number is greater. So we need to exchange this number, right? So 6 is placed in second position, 8 is placed in the third position, that is interchange. Now second position the number become 6, that is compared with the fourth number. Fourth number is 9, it is greater than this number, so no need to exchange. This second number is compared with the fifth number, so this fifth number is lesser, this fifth number is lesser than this number 6, so that also exchanged. Now 5 is placed in the second position, 6 is placed in the fifth position, right? So the second number comparison is over. After that replacement, what we got? 3, 5, 8, 9, 6. See that first minimum number is already placed during the first verification. In the second step, second number is now placed, right? That 3, 5 is placed. Now we need to check the third number with the other numbers. Third number with other numbers. This third position, now we have 8. This is compared with the fourth position number 8. This is 9. This number is greater, so no need to exchange. Now third number is compared with the fifth number is 6. Fifth number is 6. Fifth number 6 is lesser than the 8. So we need to interchange. At third position 6 is placed. At fifth position 8 is placed. Right? Now the comparison is over. After the comparison, what we have? 3, 5, 6, 9, 8. See, the first 3 positions is confirmed, right? This arranged in a minimum order. Now we need to compare the fourth number with the fifth number, right? See, this the fifth number is lesser, we need to interchange. So 8 is placed in fourth position, 9 is placed in fifth position, right? See, for all, after comparing all these first number, second number, third number, see this order 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, right? Now the numbers are arranged in a order, right? So the given number, what we are doing, first number compared with the remaining numbers. If the remaining number are lesser, that is placed in the first position. Then second number is compared with the remaining numbers. Lesser mean replace. Then third number, then fourth number. After completing this process, the numbers are arranged in the order. Now we'll go to the program. First will include the header files. Hash include stdio.h, that is standard input output dot header file. This is used for printf and scanf. Then one more header file, hash include conio.h, console input output dot header file. This is used for clear screen and getch. Then we can start the main program. Void main, open the brace. The first step is we need to declare the variables, right? So we need a set of numbers, that is single dimensional array. We can declare the set of number as a single dimensional array, A100. This 100 means maximum we can store 100 numbers, but in example we discuss 5 numbers, right? So less than 100 we can use. The variable name is A, right? A of 100 is a single dimensional array with variable name A. 100 elements, maximum of 100 elements we can store, or we can store lesser also. Then n is the number of elements, how many elements we are going to use. For checking, we have to check the first number with remaining, so that we need 2 loops are needed. So that is declared by I, j. While using for loop, we need 2 variables. Then we have one temporary variable is available. While exchanging the 2 numbers, the number will be overwritten. So one number is stored in temporary location, then it is exchanged, right? So this A of 100 is the set of numbers. N is how many numbers are there. I and j used for loop. This temporary location we need in temporary variable. So after clear screen, we can go to the coding. First we need to get the total number of elements from the user. Printf, enter the total number of elements, right? How many elements? The user will enter the number that is scanned by scanf, %d and n. %d refers, this is a integer number, and n means address of n, right? So user what entered total number of elements is stored in n. Now we need to get the elements. What are the elements are available? Then we need to ask the user to enter the number of elements. Printf, enter the array elements. We ask the user to enter the array elements. Number of elements already entered. By using the number of elements, we need to get what are the elements are available that need to enter by the user. For that, we are open the for loop. For I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So this n we assume that 5, I equal to 5, right? So 5 variable only we discuss in the example. So initially I equal to 0, this condition is correct. So it will scan the first number and store in the variable a of 0. First number is stored in a of 0. Then I plus plus. So I become 1, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, a of 4. A of 5 means the condition is false, right? I less than, I should be less than means 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are valid. 5 means invalid. So that the loop will be terminated. The user enter 5 number that are stored in this variable I, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, A of 3 and A of 4. 5 means loop is terminated. Right. Now we got the elements also. Array elements also we received from the user. Now we need to go for the checking of this element. We need to check the element and we need to arrange. That is first number is checked with the remaining numbers. Then second number is checked with the remaining numbers, like that. So for that we are opening one for loop. For I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. What happened here? This loop will be executed 5 times. 0, 1, 2, 3, like that. Then we'll go to the one more loop, because first number need to verify with remaining numbers, right? So j equal to I plus 1. I equal to 0 means first number. We need to check with the second number. So I plus 1. I equal to 0 means j will be 0 plus 1, 1. Right? This is first number means this will be second number. J less than n, j plus plus. Right? So I equal to 0 now first number. J equal to 1 second number. So now we are comparing. A of I, A of j less than A of I. A of I is the first number. A of j is the second number. Suppose the second number is lesser. We need to interchange. If it is not lesser, no need to interchange. right? The second numbers or third number or fourth number is lesser, we need to interchange, right? We need to interchange a of I and a of j. A of I is temporarily placed in the variable temporary variable. Then a of j is stored in a of I. Now it is overwritten. A of j value is placed in a of I. Already what the value available a of I is available in temporary. So we will be overwritten. That's why we are storing the a of I in the temporary location. Now a of I value available in temporary location, that will be stored in a of j, right? So our aim is to arrange the a of I as well as a of j. While replacing, it will be overwritten. A of j value, second number placed in first position, but first position number will be overrated. That's why before doing this expression, first element is stored in temporary location. From temporary location, it is stored in second position. Now first number and second numbers are interchanged when only if the second number is less than the first number. Otherwise this process will not happen, right? So this is for loop, this is for inner, this is for if loop, if condition. This brace for inner for loop, this is for outer for loop, right? Now we assume that I equal to 0, j is 1, right? First number and second number is compared. Now I remain 0, j become 2, the j plus plus, j become 2. Now first number compared with the third number. If it is lesser, it will be processed, right? Like that it will go 3, 4, right? If it is 5, terminated, because the n value is 5 only, right? It will be ij should be less than 5. If it is equal to 5, that the process is terminated. That is, first number is verified with second number, third number, fourth number and fifth number. In all the cases, the remaining numbers are lesser, mean the process will be interchanged, right? After that, this inner loop will be terminated. It will go to outer loop. Now I become 1. I 1 means automatically j is 2. I is 1 means I plus 1. 1 plus 1, j equal to 2. That is, second number is compared with third number, fourth number and fifth number. I remain 1. Fifth 5 means terminated, right? Second number compared with the third, fourth and fifth. So if the condition is correct, it will be interchanged, right? Like that it will process all 5 stages, first number, second number, third number and fourth number. Only if the condition is true, that will be interchanged, otherwise terminated, right? So after completing this all loop, the numbers are arranged in a order that we already discussed with the example, how the numbers are arranged. Now we can print the numbers. Print of ascending order is /n mean after printing ascending order, it will go to the next line. So printing also, we need to open the for loop. For I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. I is 0, the n is 5. So it will execute it 5 times. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will print the line, they print the numbers. /t refers, the tapping will be provided. In between two numbers, tapping will be given. So it will print a of 0 with and then tapping, a of 1, tapping, a of 2, 3, 4, a of 4 is the first, last number. With the tapping, it will print. Then the for loop is closed. After get cgh, we can close the program. Get cgh will get the character from the user. Until that, the program will display the output, so that we can view the output. After viewing the output, if we enter the character, it will get the character and terminate the program. Now we will see the output. What is the output of this program? See the output. Enter the total number of elements. We ask the user to enter the total number of elements. The user enters 5. Already we discussed 5 numbers only. So this will take 5. Now enter the array element. We ask the user to enter the array element. What we discussed, same set of numbers, 8, 3, 6, 9, 5, right? So after that, we are arranged the coding is running. So due to the if condition and for loop, the numbers are arranged. So ascending order is, so it will go to the next line. After printing ascending order is go to next line because of /n. Then 3, and between two numbers, the tapping is there. /t is given for this spacing between 3 and 5, tapping. Similarly, tapping available between the numbers. 3, 5, 6, 8 and 9. Now the numbers are arranged in a order, right? So in this program we discuss how to arrange the numbers in a ascending order, minimum number to maximum number. First the numbers we need to store in a array, single dimensional array. The logic is first number is compared with remaining numbers. Remaining number is lesser, position is interchange. Then second number is compared with remaining. Similarly third number, fourth number. Like that we are comparing. While comparing it is lesser means interchange. So that the numbers are arranged in a ascending order, minimum to maximum. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.